Right. Rear U-joint done. Got all the snap rings out of the front U-joint. Gonna knock that out, get it apart. I'm gonna get this in the washer, get that clean, and then we can reassemble. A little bit of heat, a little bit of bang bang, and we are out. Ugh. All right, I'll go get this out of the yoke, get this in the washer, and away. All right, so upon disassembly, I noticed that the yoke from a drive shaft, input yoke, is damaged. Great. So much fun. But it might be okay. We'll get it washed up. We'll see. So I go in from the other side, it should be okay. But we will make sure.
What's up, Unc?
Damn. Hi, Scotty.
Hey, how are you guys?
Tired.
Yeah.
Hungry.
Some of us are on our periods.
Yes, I am. I'm tired of dealing with people and their dumb questions. I didn't name names.
Doesn't matter.
Well,
You have to say stuff like that.
Why are you playing with Ken's shaft?
because I'm showing you that his U-joint is tits McGee. It's all good. Because, you know, I'm good at doing drive.
I want to watch you play with Ken's shaft.
Yeah, baby!
We've been playing with Ken all week.
Right?
You were playing with his rear end earlier.
Okay, enough. Let the man have a little bit of time with his own shaft, all right? Please and thank you.
All right, so U-joint done. U-joint done. You saw that one already.
Yep.
This one, now the yoke, it had a little ding ding, but I was able to pop it back just by pressing through an old U-joint cup.
Yep, which is the best way to do it. This way you keep that.
It went nice and square. Everything
Yep.
was good. So
Went nice and square.
Yeah, nice and straight.
Circle.
It's round, but it has to go in the whole square. There's 3 dimensions, boys.
Oof. And just think, he's supposed to be the boss.
I'm the smart one. What do you always say, Scotty?
Oopsie. You're the smartest dumb person I've ever met.
That's true. But yeah, so all ready to go in. Xander's just going to kind of clean this up a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna give Ken a quick hand job.
You're going to give his input shaft a handy to kind of just smooth it out.
Uh-huh.
And then you're going to clean it off and stick it in deep. All right, let's go see what Scotty's doing. Stop it. Stop it.